Are you a professional ready to transcend your current role and become an indispensable leader in your field? Today, we're dissecting Daniel Priestley's Key Person of Influence, a strategic framework for professionals aiming to elevate their market value and secure unparalleled career opportunities. Let's break it down into 5 actionable steps. Your professional pitch isn't just about what you do, it's about your unique value proposition. Articulate precisely who you serve and the distinct problem you solve, positioning yourself as the definitive solution. A compelling pitch is your gateway to significant career advancement. Publishing thought leadership establishes your intellectual capital and authority. This strategic move builds undeniable credibility, differentiating you from peers and attracting high-value engagements. Consistent content creation solidifies your expert status. Beyond billable hours, productizing your expertise creates scalable assets. Develop frameworks, workshops, or consulting packages that leverage your knowledge, transforming it into a sustainable revenue stream and a testament to your specialized skills. This elevates your professional offering. Your digital footprint is your professional resume in the modern age. A meticulously curated online profile, from LinkedIn to personal branding sites, is crucial for attracting strategic partnerships and career-defining opportunities. Control your narrative and showcase your expertise. Strategic alliances are pivotal for accelerating your influence. Collaborate with other industry leaders, complementary businesses, or professional communities to expand your reach and credibility. These relationships open doors to new ventures and mutual growth. In a competitive professional landscape, attention is the ultimate currency. Becoming a key person of influence strategically positions you at the epicenter of opportunities. You won't chase career growth, it will gravitate towards you, recognizing your established authority. You don't need to be the absolute best. You need to be strategically positioned and impeccably packaged. Implement these 5 steps, and you will transition from being an overlooked professional to an in-demand leader, shaping your own career trajectory. If this strategic breakdown resonated with your career aspirations, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Share in the comments, which of these 5 pillars will you prioritize for your professional advancement this quarter? Let's build your influence.